Alright, girl. We're in Florida, and you started crawling. How good can you crawl? Let me see. Let me see. Come here.
Keep going. Go get your milk.
A little bit farther. Come here. Sorry, I know that's cruel. Oh, a little bit farther. Come on. Look at you. Can you go a little bit farther? Should we send this to your dada since he's not with us? Come on. Eliana, can you get your bottle? Where are you gonna go? Oh, the shoes? Aren't you hungry?
Yeah, but you keep making me work so hard for it, Mom. I don't want to work hard for it anymore.
Can't get in there, right?
Come on.
No, I'm getting there.
Come on, girlie. Come get your bottle. Here it is. Come get it.
Maybe if you put just a tad closer.
Where are you gonna go? You're gonna bonk your head, kiddo. Should I put this closer? Here. Look, it's right by you. Come here. Oh, what are you gonna do now? Come get it. Do you want your bottle? Sit up and crawl towards it. Come on. Here. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're such a big girl. Okay, come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. A little bit farther. Yay! Ellie! Yay! You're a big girl. You're crawling. It's April 3rd? 4th. 2012. Okay. Whoa. Gotta feed you now.